Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. Just want to make this quick little video just to let you guys know that we are going to extend our sale. Yes, we are extending our $15.99 sale for another week. So till next Wednesday. Today is actually Thursday. Today is June 9th. Thursday, so we will extend it another week. So I guess till next Thursday, we will extend it again another week. You guys have actually been doing really good with the sales. You guys seem to like the sale. I know we haven't taken it off the website and people have been like, don't take it off. So we've seen the sales. The sales have been looking good. Like I said, we want to continue it permanently at $15.99 if we can do $50,000 in sales for the month. So keep purchasing the sheets. And also just to let you guys know about our other products. So we have our DTF sheets, which are $15.99 now. So go take advantage of those. That's full 22, right here. This is a full gang sheet. Obviously, you know, this right here, we cut one out to make a shirt, but this is a full gang sheet, 22 by 24, so that you guys can make all the awesome products that you want for full color transfers, like this right here, this shirt right here that my wife made. See, it stretches. We got the most durable, hands down, we have the most durable transfer in the world. So those transfers, 22 by 24 gang sheet, gang it out. Email us, order now at flashcustomtransfers.com, or if you already know how to order, head on over to flashcustomtransfers.com. Get your gang sheet for only $15.99. You can pack, you can fit about 10 of these. I think these are like 3 or 4 by 9. 3 or 4 by 10 or 3 or 4 by 9. I need to actually measure it out, but I was able to fit 10 logos on there. So that's 10 shirts. You do 20 shirts. Yeah, no, you can do 10 shirts at about $20, $25 a pop, probably 25 with the way prices are now. And, you know, full color, high quality transfer. You can bring anybody's image to life. That's a lot of money for a sheet that only costs $15.99. So please go take advantage of that. Also, we have our sublimation sheets, our sublimation gang sheets. Those are still 22 by 24 as well, and those are only $14.99. So for all you sublimation people out there who have an Epson 2720, get rid of it. Chunk that in the trash, because you can get our full 22 by 24 gang sheets. Now, this is not the size. This is not the true size. I'm just letting you guys know that it's going to come out of paper. We got a lot of questions out there. People ask me the difference between a DTF gang sheet, which is this right here, and sublimation, which is this right here. So this goes, see, this is white on the outside, and then it goes into the ink, because this right here is 100% polyester. You cannot put this sublimation on this cotton shirt. You cannot do that. You need DTF in order to do that on this cotton shirt. There's just a little tip out there, but the sublimation gang sheets come this size, 22 by 24. So please take advantage of that for only $14.99. Now, that's for all your nylon issues or polyester, polyester materials. That's what you're gonna use sublimation on. Also your like rugs, anything, mugs, your mugs, please use that. Please use your sublimation for that. Don't have, DTF does not go on mugs and stuff like that. A lot of people ask that question, can I use DTF on mugs? No, DTF is strictly for apparel, but it covers all apparel, hoodies, jackets, bags, you name it, it covers all apparel. Sublimation covers polyester and accessories and things like that. And then we also have our stickers. Minimum of 50. I know we have 50 and 100 on the website, but we can do a lot more. So please email us about the stickers so that you can send over your image. I know you can purchase them online, which you can, but you're gonna have to send us your images so we can kind of get your order, how many you might want, but there is a minimum of 50. But the stickers can go on anything, glass, mugs. So we made these custom mugs, Chelly and I, one for Chelly, one for me, using our stickers. They're weatherproof, bubble air release, so they're gonna go on smooth. They're not gonna wanna crease or anything, and it's way better than vinyl. I know Chelly just used a Cricut machine to make a bunch of vinyl decals for bottles for our next door neighbors, because that was something really quick. But if you wanted something more permanent, more detailed, use our stickers. We price them very well, best price on the market. And again, they're just as durable as our DTF transfers. So again, our DTF transfers, our sale, and what we're trying to do and make it permanent is $15.99. please gang sheet it out, put it all on there. We have the biggest size at 22 by 24. You really can't beat the price and the amount of images that you're gonna be able to fit on a 22 by 24 sheet. And if you also do sublimation, go ahead and get our sublimation gang sheet. It's the same size, 22 by 24. You just send over the images and then you can knock out all your sublimation projects, all your cotton material projects or whatever, anything that's not polyester or your colored garments, you're able to knock all of that out at one stop, which Flash Custom Transfers is always trying to be a one-stop shop. In fact, in the next video, you guys will see some new art behind me as we gear up for our podcast and change our studio area. See, I got my little background right here. So we're really trying to work on bringing a better visual to you guys so that we can continue to talk about the business and move the culture forward into this new world of DTF and stickers and stuff like that. So we're really trying to be an all one-stop company. That's why we continue to release new products and always continue to drop our prices. Yesterday's price is not today's price because we made yesterday's price cheaper. Yesterday's price is cheaper than today's price. So no, yesterday's price is more expensive than today's price. I'm trying to be funny, but yes, that slogan, yesterday's price is not today's price. You're right, because with Flash Custom Transfers, we dropped the price. A lot of other companies, and as you guys see, with inflation, everybody's going up. Our business model is to go down because we want to maximize your ability to sell the transfers, not just sell the garments and be able to make the material, because that requires you to buy t-shirts, that requires you to buy a press, that requires you to buy a lot of things, all equipment that we have on our website that you can buy if you want to start your own merch company making merch. But if you just want to sell transfers, you will be able to get them from us from $15.99, obviously plus shipping and stuff like that, but the standard shipping rate of $13 is only a one-time fee. So the more sheets that you get at $15.99, you're only paying $15 and you can get 100 sheets. You're only paying $13. You can get 50 sheets. You're only paying $13 for shipping, right? So the more, and you're getting them at $15.99 each. So therefore, if you're able to, sell each image at, $5, $6, $7 a pop, like some companies do, they sell you per image. You can purchase our transfers now that our price is lower and have a higher profit margin. So that is always our goal, is to create a higher profit margin for each person who purchases from us. This right here, making garments, is kind of getting phased out. It's very saturated. It's almost like the trucking industry. Right now, everybody has a box truck. So the prices are actually, everybody's able to do it. So you get some new people who have a box truck, they want to get in, and all of a sudden they can't. You want to come in? All of a sudden they can't get into it because they're like, oh man, there's so much competition. But in our world, we are actually dropping the price and we're telling people, hey, listen, let everybody else make the garment. You provide the transfer. And here she comes, Miss Queen of Flash Custom Transfers herself.
Oh, I didn't see you guys there. Didn't see you there.
Hopefully you guys heard that and the microphone didn't mess up.
Where's the mic?
Right here. And we'll order new microphones, so they will be here. But yeah, go ahead, just chat.
You're doing a great job.
Oh, appreciate that. Thank you.
Yeah, you're just talking about which is good about the inflation. Other prices are going up, we're going down. Help the community, help the economy, help everyone to make money during this inflation. So that was really good that you were speaking on that.
Yeah.
And I heard you talk about sublimation, which is good to do your research on sublimation. We still do get a lot of questions on the difference between sublimation and DTF. So please take the time to Google the differences with those, because big differences, pros and cons for both. So just take that time to kind of do your research on that.
What?
I was trying to think what else. I was listening to you talk. Yes, we have extended the sale. If you are a part of my, if you do follow me on Instagram, I had like a poll going, like, should we extend it? And I was like, if we get 100 votes, we would extend it. I don't know. I haven't checked it, so I don't know how many votes we got, but I guess we got 100 because we're extending it.
You know, it's funny. A while ago, I did a poll kind of on YouTube on who would you rather buy from, us or Supercolor? And we got 70% Flash Custom Transfers.
Really?
Yeah. Yep. And it was like 99 votes or something like that.
You can do polls on YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, cool.
Yep. So you guys overwhelmingly said Flash Custom Transfer. So we appreciate you. And all those people who said Supercolor, we totally understand. Listen, buy what's good for you. If you're in California and you're near the Supercolor plant, it would make no sense to purchase from us. It would make no sense to purchase from Texas to be shipped all the way to California if you're able to get it dang near that same day. Mm-hmm. And same thing for the people in Texas. If you're in Texas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, it makes sense to purchase from us because we're going to be able to ship to you extremely fast. It'll take Florida. How many times do we ship to Florida? And we ship one day instead of the next day. And we're talking ground. We're talking ground shipping, and it gets to Florida in like a day. So, and then the Northeast, I don't think there's really too many people out there. We do a lot of, because you've seen the Bronx a lot. So we do. All the people in the Bronx. Shout out to the Bronx. Shout out to the Bronx.
I've noticed lately we've been getting a lot of orders from the Bronx. So I don't know if someone in the community was like, hey, there's this Flash Custom Transfers, they're doing their thing. And then everybody's like, but I noticed a lot of orders from the Bronx. So shout out.
All the Latinos.
We don't know what.
It is. All my Boricuas.
We don't know.
BX.
We don't know what they are. Canada, my son did a message to a video to Canada. Shout out to Canada. We do get a lot of orders from there. We do ship to Canada. We get a lot of emails. Hey, do you ship to Canada? We do ship to Canada. So shout out to everyone who's continued to support our business, continue to support a brand, continue to support amazing product. Yes. We appreciate you, and we will continue to bring you amazing deals and amazing products, and also provide more products. Like, as you know, we have our hardware that you're able to use Afterpay on our website. We have our stickers. We have sublimation. As of right now, that's what we have. And all the people,
I'll end it with this. I don't want to make this video too long. And Shelly can also make one for Flash Custom Transfer, so make sure you guys go over there and subscribe. But to kind of piggyback on what she said in regards to Afterpay, listen, if you guys are out there making shirts for people and stuff like that, and you're taking somebody's money to fill an order, use Afterpay, because then you're taking the customer's money to fill an order, right? Then you're only paying a fraction, 1/4 of the total amount as far as sheets on our side. I don't know if you have to buy the shirts or not, but then you're able to break those payments down. So this way, your payments are low, but you're able to keep the cash flow coming in, and everybody knows cash flow is king in the world of business. And we will be doing a lot more videos on how to expand your business. I know I did one on the top 3 books. Make sure you go check that video out on the channel, the top 3 books that helped us get successful. You guys will see a new backdrop that we're gonna have with Dream, Money, and Power. And we just want to kind of just expand on that and really help other people out there with your business, because we continue to see people do business, and we, like I said, we look at each other. I know, please go check out my rant video too about bad business. It really frustrates me. And again, that's the reason why we dropped our price to $15.99, guys. So go take advantage of that right now. Go take advantage of our $15.99 gang sheets, 22x24. Like I said, you're not doing this with other brands. Other brands are screen print. This is not screen print. It's gonna crack. It's gonna fade over time. I can guarantee you. You do 2,000 washes with this, the transfer is not gonna damage the shirt. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Please stay tuned for Chelly's personal video on Flash Custom Transfers. Go on over there, watch all that content over there as we try to get that channel back monetized. Anything you want to say?
No, I appreciate you all.
All right, thank you guys. Be basic. Peace.